We all experience patterns. Our human nature is to not stop and take a look at what's the pattern, what's the cause, is there a way to prevent it or a way to redirect it more quickly. There are patterns in our personal life, there are patterns in our professional life. So what I want you to do is take a few moments, and you can either do this on your own or discuss at your table. Are there any patterns that you realize, wow, this takes time away from my day? We don't think about our priorities until somebody specifically asks, what are your priorities? Number one was work-life balance. Balance isn't just falling, it's also being able to get back in and wobble a little bit and then recover. This is actually a time management test. When I just throw the stickies on the tables and I tell everybody, I'd like you to count out 24 stickies. How many blank stickies out of the 24 do you have left? Typically when people get a visual of this, they realize how protective they need to be about their time. A lot of folks with time management challenges aren't paying attention. They want to get things done in such a hurry that they're not fully focused on details. And when they're not focused on details, they end up making mistakes and they have to backtrack and they lose even more time. But here's the thing, when it comes to our time, we tend to just throw it away. We don't think of it like money. Even though some of you were protecting $5, which is far less valuable than our time is. Our priorities reside in the subconscious of our brains, and that's why we tend not to make decisions based on how well they're going to support our priorities. So by using your calendar, you can think about how you want to use your time in the upcoming days and the upcoming weeks so you can accomplish your goals and you can achieve your vision.